Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to calculate average in Looker Studio. Now, the first thing you need to do, come to the right hand panel and click on data, okay? Once we click on data, come here, scroll down, click on add a field, then click add a calculated field. Now you can name this calculated field, let's say average sales, okay? And then from this formula creator, okay, we come down here, we choose sales right here, and right outside sales, I just want you to type AVG. Now put sales in brackets. Okay, there you go. This is also an example they're giving you on how it's done. So you just place sales inside the brackets and we're done. And if it's perfectly fine, you'll see the formula syntax is valid. If not, you'll see that it's invalid. Come here, click on save. Okay, leave the field ID as it is. It's been saved. Click here on finished. And now we can easily bring this in right here. So instead of bringing it in like this, what I'll do, I'll come here, click on add a chart, and I'll add a scorecard. Okay, place this scorecard right here, and it'll go to the setup, and we'll change this to average sales. Okay, and here we go. Really that easy and simple.